In this video, I will show you how to travel to the EU and Schengen area from the UK. If you're a UK citizen, you don't need a visa for short trips to most European countries, as long as you're staying for 90 days or less in any 180-day period. This applies if you're traveling as a tourist for business meetings, studying a short course, or even getting medical treatment. The Schengen area includes 27 countries such as France, Germany, Spain, Italy, and many others. Your total time in all these countries combined must not exceed 90 days within 180 days. To check this, count back 180 days from your planned departure date and make sure your total stay doesn't go over 90 days. Starting from the 12th of October 2025, the EU will introduce a new entry-exit system. This means your fingerprints and photo will be taken when you enter or leave the Schengen area, so expect slightly longer queues at borders. If you're traveling on a cruise, whether these checks apply will depend on where your trip starts and ends. Cruises that begin and finish outside the Schengen area, such as from the UK, are usually exempt from border checks. Keep in mind that Cyprus is not part of the Schengen area. You can visit Cyprus for up to 90 days separately from your Schengen travel days. If you plan to work or stay longer than 90 days in any European country, you'll need to check that country's specific visa and entry requirements. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to How to Tutor.